starting your C# journey for free.
Learning C# is an excellent way to start programming, and there are many free resources available online. Whether you want to build apps, games, or automate tasks, C# and .NET skills are highly valuable. Let's explore some of the best free platforms and communities to help you get started from scratch.
Microsoft Learn, the official starting point.
Microsoft Learn offers structured and free C# tutorials designed for beginners. Their interactive modules cover basic programming concepts, object-oriented principles, and real-world C# applications. The platform guides you step by step and provides instant feedback, making it easier to absorb concepts and practice coding at your own pace.
YouTube channels and playlists.
YouTube hosts a vast array of free C# tutorials. Channels like Programming with Mosh, Free Code Camp, and Brackeys offer beginner-friendly video lessons, project walkthroughs, and explanations of C# fundamentals. These playlists help you see code in action and are perfect if you prefer visual, easy-to-follow content.
Online coding platforms.
Interactive learning sites like Codecademy, SoloLearn, and JetBrains Academy offer free C# courses and coding challenges. While some features are paid, their introductory C# modules are accessible at no cost. These platforms allow you to write and run C# code in your browser, making practice easy and immediate.
Community forums and open source projects.
Joining C# communities like Stack Overflow, Reddit's r/C#, and the .NET Foundation forums can boost your learning. You'll get help with questions, see real-world code problems, and find open-source projects to contribute to when you're ready. Being active in these spaces enhances learning through discussion and collaboration.
Putting it all together.
Learning C# for free is entirely possible with the wealth of resources available online. Combining official tutorials, video lessons, interactive coding sites, and community engagement will give you a solid foundation. Start small, practice consistently, and don't hesitate to seek help. Your C# skills will grow in no time.